Hello guys, good morning! Today is February 20 and start na ng ating birthday week and we are going to Bend, Oregon. Hello!
La 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 la.
So, it's gonna take 4 hours and 5 minutes to drive dun sa Bend, Oregon. Pero kung walang stop yun guys, and for sure magsa-stop kami kasi kasama namin yung aming puppy. And tignan nyo guys yung aming car. Punong-puno siya ng gamit ngayon.
It's all pillows and coats.
Yeah, ang dami naming dinala guys. Halos puno na, hindi mo na makita yung back window ng car sa sobrang dami ng mga gamit. And yes, start na ng ating vlog. This is our first time going there, right? Bend, Oregon?
You have never been to this part of the state.
Okay. So, first time natin guys and maganda to adventure. Marami kaming gagawin na activities like skiing, right? And maybe sledding. And a lot more guys.
Oh, we got drone day.
Yes! So guys, naliligaw na po tayo. Charot. We are looking for Starbucks kasi coffee. Magka-coffee ako. Medyo inaantok ako and I need energy. Hindi ako nag-energy drink ngayon guys kasi sa mga nakikita kong kine-kineme ngayon sa mga news or hindi siya maganda sa katawan. So, coffee na lang instead of energy drink. And we don't know kung nasan siya.
I don't know where it's at. It says it was right here, but
Right.
I don't see none.
It's not here. So, wala pong
That's not a Starbucks. That's something
Yeah.
else.
It's a fuel and convenience store.
Well, now I'm getting on the freeway.
Oh, okay. So maybe we're not getting Starbucks.
Well, we are, but we're getting it down the road because
Grabe yung ulan no, guys. So maybe we're gonna get Starbucks sa ibang lugar na lang. Guys, change of plan. Dahil may nadaanan kaming In-N-Out, so baka magbo-burger na lang kami. And if they have coffee, maybe I'm gonna get coffee and burger.
or breakfast sandwich, or I don't know. I've never done In-N-Out at 9 a.m.
Okay, let's try
Oh, it's
In-N-Out.
10 a.m.
Yeah.
Maybe it's burger time.
Okay, first In-N-Out sa Washington State, guys. So, itatry namin siya instead of Starbucks.
I'm hungry anyway.
So, dapat Starbucks kami, pero In-N-Out na lang daw. And we're eating inside. Right?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Hindi tayo masyadong mag-iingay for today's video dahil nasa public tayo. And meron kami here cheeseburger and fries. And I ordered pink lemonade for drink. So, hindi ko first time to na itatry yung In-N-Out and gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung itsura niya. Kasi viral to, di ba? Ayan siya guys, cheeseburger. This is $8.40 and mukha siyang masarap, right? And ito yung fries niya. Try natin. Sarap. Did we just eat burger yesterday? Kakakain lang namin ng burger kahapon. Try natin guys itong burger ng In-N-Out. Ito yung first In-N-Out dito sa Washington State. And meron ako ditong parang, what do you call this? Pickled pepper. Pero parang medyo dry siya. It is dry. So yung fries guys, hindi siya masyadong crispy. Okay, let's try this pink lemonade. I like that. But for the burger, it's kind of dry. I like the one in Vegas. I don't know. This is just dry. Dry siya guys, pero masarap naman. But the place is really clean. It's clean guys. Sobrang linis ng fast food na to. And I saw the guy cleaning everything. Like checking.
The front door.
Yeah. So, alam na alam mo talagang malinis yung food dito kasi sobrang linis nila guys. Ito yata yung pinakamalinis na fast food na nakita ko sa buong buhay ko. That's spicy. $9.75 each and the burger yesterday was $14, $16, $18. See, I will rate this burger 7 out of 10. I like this drink. It's not too sweet. So, yun lamang guys. Masarap naman siya pero dry lang talaga yung burger and yung fries niya kulang sa luto. Medyo undercooked siya. So, yun lang guys. So, ayan guys, road break muna para mag-stretch and itong aso namin, kailangan na niyang umihi or tumae. So, mga 1 oras na lang guys, nandun na kami sa aming destination. And first, Ernie, you have to poop first. Okay? Huwag tayo masyadong lalayo dahil ano to, private property. May mga tae-tae dito, hindi ko alam kung anong tae to. Oh my God. Ano to guys, katong land na to ay tribal land. So, bawal tayong mag-eme-eme dito. Okay guys, another stretching area. Di ko alam kung ano tong lugar na to. What is this place? No, we're not allowed to go down.
It's
Ano siya guys, bridge. Tapos parang meron siyang pailog dyan sa baba. Pero bawal pumasok.
called Mill Creek.
Mill Creek. Oh! Ang lalim niya guys. Oh my God. Nagulat ako, ang lalim pala niya. We are now in Oregon guys. And we're 1 hour and 30 minutes away sa aming destination. And ganito yung itsura niya guys. So medyo super lalim niya. Oh my God. And ayan siya guys. Medyo malalim siya. I don't know if you can see it. But ano siya, ilog. Ayan siya. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Nahanap ko yung mic. Eto siya, guys. Buti na lang walang nakakuha. Nandun lang siya sa may daan. Oh my God. Ang saya ko. Ang saya ko, shit. Kinabahan ako dun. Oh my God. Hindi pala to mapapagkatiwalaan kapag clinip mo lang siya. Oh my God. Ang saya ko. Wait lang, puntahan natin si Sterling. Medyo nainis din sa akin si Sterling kasi mahal to guys. Nasa $80 ko yata binili tong mic na to. Ang saya ko. Oh my God. So, kinabahan ako doon. Oh my God. So, ayun si Sterling. And yung aming puppy. I found it. I found it. On the ground. Next, near to the toilet area. Oh my God. This is $80.
Yeah.
I was so nervous.
Use it like twice.
I know. Did he poop?
No.
Okay guys, meron pa kami pupuntahan dito na parang tulay and we are waiting for our dog to poop. I got so nervous.
I was out here walking around wherever you walk.
I love this mic. I really love this
But
mic.
just so you know, I have a backup mic.
Yeah, but this is DJI.
I know. Come on, Ernie.
Yeah. So guys, we are now here sa Blue Star Memorial Highway. And eto siya guys, napakataas ng bridge na to. So, tignan natin siya. Peterskin Ogden Park, yung pangalan niya. And this is what it looks like. Ay, taray English. Oh my God, ang ganda guys. Wow! Eto na siya! Oh my God! Ang ganda! Meron siyang ilog sa baba. Wow, it's so beautiful! Ayun si Sterling. You should have bring the drone here. Ang ganda sana i-drone shot nito. Pero punta tayo doon kung nasan si Sterling. Here you go guys. Ito yung gustong gusto kong nararanasan dito sa Amerika guys. Yung mga ganitong view na hindi natin nakikita sa Pilipinas. It makes me more excited to explore USA. Wow! Come here. Join the video. Wow, it's so amazing guys. Di ko alam kung nabibigyan ng justice ng camera na to. Pero ang ganda.
It's 300 feet down.
Wow! And let's see the other side
This
naman.
is the new highway bridge.
So merong bagong highway daw here. Oh my God, look at this guys. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh my God. Tapos merong ilog sa baba. Wag naman sanang mahulog yung camera, no? Kanina nahulog na yung mic. I hope the camera will not fall. The mic fell.
We need to
Wow. Ang ganda. Oh, and there's a person there biking. Okay, we should go there on that view.
that view?
Yeah, walk here and go there.
Okay.
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 Tingnan niyo yung lalaking yun, nandun siya sa may, taas ng bridge. Oh my God, pag nahulog tong lalaking to. Oh my God. Oh my God, grabe. Hindi siya natatakot. Look at him. Walang harang yan guys ha. Nasa mismong siya. Nasa mismong bangin. I mean, mismong corner like this. Tapos ayun, naglalakad siya. Oh my, ay, wait, umuupo pa siya. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam kung anong amats ni Kuya. Nandun siya sa mismong ganito. Ayun, sa mismong ganyan ng bridge. Nakakatakot. Ang taas nun, guys. Oh my God, medyo natakot ako sa kanya. Okay, bilisan na natin. Baka tayo yung target ng lalaking yun. Medyo parang nakapantulog kasi siya. Parang homeless, ganun. Medyo natatakot ako sa mga ganun guys kasi mga nagda-drugs, ganun. So, pabayaan na natin si Kuya doon. I-appreciate na lang natin tong magandang view. Oh my God! Ang ganda. We should take a photo here. Behind me guys, ito yung pangatlong bridge. Bale, 1, 2 yung green, and then behind that green, yung red na bridge. Ang ganda! Oh my God! Tignan niyo itong mga rock formation na yan, guys. Oh my God! Ang lalim niya. Like, hawak muna tayo. Wow! Oh my God! Ang lalim ko na. Ayun, may birds. Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ang lalim nito. It's nakakatakot. Wow! Paano nila binuo tong bridge na to? Sa ganyang kalalim na bangin. Oh my God. How did they build this bridge? Right. Oh my God. It's amazing how. So, etong pangatlong bridge na sinasabi ko guys, ay tinatawag na the Oregon Trunk Railroad Bridge. Nahirapan pa talaga mag-pronounce. So, ayan siya. Na-amaze lang ako kung paano nila ginawa to, kung paano nila binuo tong bridge na to. Kasi guys, super lalim yan. Ayun siya oh. Super lalim yan. So, ayan guys, naka-zoom in tayo. And then yung lalaking yun talaga na naka-orange. I don't know if nakikita nyo. Yung naka-orange na guy.
If it falls, it'll be an orange streak.
Like, look at him, like, just sitting there. Is he crazy or what?
Just a little suicide.
Right? Ayan, nag-ano siya doon, seize a moment sa may cliff. Grabe. Okay guys, quick target run. Nakalimutan ko yung aking cotton pads.
Oh my God, for your skincare na.
Yeah, I always do my skincare every night. I make sure I don't skip.
So we didn't bring the whole house after all.
Yeah. Okay, cotton pads. Nandito siya. Cotton rounds pala yung tawag dito. Cotton rounds. Exfoliating. No. I want the regular
There you
one.
go.
$2.19. There. So we are now in Costco, guys. Maghahanap kami ng king crab or snow crab.
Well,
So ito lang yung crabs na meron sila.
I don't see any other kind of crab, but we could look down this aisle here.
Okay. Here's the salad. Maybe we'll get one of this. Okay. Should get one salad. Okay. So which one? That
Maybe one of
crab or this long legs? I think this is easier to eat. This one.
these.
Yeah. Than that. See.
Oh no, I don't want.
Then let's try this one. How much is this? $53.
Here's one.
So that's what we're gonna get, and it's $48.
Okay, well.
1277. Place your item in the tray at 48, 98, 19, 99, 499.
Do you remember where we parked?
Way out that way.
Okay. So guys, we secured the crab. It's
Yeah.
$48.98
But if we went to the restaurant, that would be $120.
for sure. And this is cooked snow crab. Oh, it's cooked.
Yeah, we just have to heat it up.
Oh, okay. I thought we'll have to cook it.
Nope. All crab is cooked when you buy it.
Not in the Philippines.
It is in the U.S.
Oh, okay. So, ito yung pag-stayan namin, guys. Isa siyang buong bahay. Hindi pa to nakikita inside. So, si Sterling gusto niya makita yung reaction ko. Ilalagay niya daw yung camera sa loob. So, okay, I will hand you the camera now.
Okay.
It's recording. I have the mic, so you can talk. Meron kasi kaming pinapanood na series. Then,
Can I help you?
Hi. It is the wrong cabin.
Which one are you looking for?
10.
This is 10, but we have it till tomorrow. What was that?
22.
I thought I had the wrong day. I'm sorry. It's okay. Have a good day.
Hi, baby. Oh, I'm a day early. I want to go on holiday.
Oh my god, guys, epic fail. So yung nabook pa ng Sterling is for tomorrow.
We're only 6 hours away from home right now.
Oh my god, we don't have a place to stay now.
Oh, we'll figure it out.
So guys, this is gonna be an adventure. And we have a lot of food now with us.
Hey, we'll figure it out.
Yeah, I'm just recording.
Yeah, we're okay though.
It's a real life situation. This is how the vlog's gonna So, ayun guys, natatawa pa rin ako sa nangyari. Ngayon, ito, nag-walk kami ni Ernie dito sa may lugar kung nasan yung Airbnb namin. Kaso, yung Airbnb pala guys, tomorrow pa siya. So, akala ni Sterling, ngayon na yung booking namin. And tomorrow pa lang pala siya. Binuksan niya yung Airbnb. And meron pang tao sa loob. So, ngayon guys, nandun sa kotse si Sterling. Sa mga gantong eksena, si Sterling parang hindi siya makapag-focus. So, iniwanan ko muna siya sa kotse at nilakad ko muna tong aso namin. Ngayon, naghahanap siya ng lugar kung saan kami magsistay. Sana makahanap siya ng lugar na malapit lang dito or kahit medyo may kalayuan. Tapos, malapit sa mga pasyalan kasi yung Airbnb namin guys, 4 PM pa yung check-in. Sana makahanap siya ng malapit na motel or kahit hotel lang. Ay, Or maybe sana motel na may malaking rep. Kasi ang dami naming biniling food guys. Akala kasi namin talaga ngayon na yung check-in namin. I worried about ano mangyayari sa food na binili namin. Buti na lang may dala kaming portable na refrigerator. Hopefully magkasya yung binili naming mga frozen food dun sa refrigerator. Pero ang lamig guys, actually may yelo-yelo dito. And wala akong suot na heat tech, so babalik na ako sa kotse. Hindi ko na kinakaya tong lamig. Balik muna ako dun sa kotse guys. Hey guys! Good evening! And na-survive namin yung araw na to. Ang dami naming aberya today. First yung aking mic, and then the next one naman is yung Airbnb namin. Tomorrow pa pala siya nakabook. And so we end up here sa
I was a
hotel.
little excited to get going on vacation a day early.
So ayan, nandito kami sa My Place Hotel guys. And we're staying here just for tonight. And ito yung buong hotel tour. So right here sa entrance, ito yung entrance, meron tayong refrigerator. Ayan yung mga pinamili namin sa Trader Joe's. Ayan siya guys. And we have some food here. And we are hungry na.
I'm eating.
Ayan, he's gonna eat. And right on the entrance, eto yung unang eksena. Yung banyo. Yan, meron siyang bathtub. Very maliit lang. And meron siyang full-length mirror here. And then, eto na yung pinaka-kitchen. Merong coffee maker, microwave, and maliit na sink. And meron kang free coffee here. And sa amin na itong mga ibang food na yan. And eto na yung dining area. Maliit na couch. And eto na guys, yung pinaka-kama. May TV naman siya and parang closet area. Pero maliit lang siya guys. Enough for tonight, right? More than enough.
This is bigger than a studio condo in Manila.
How much did you pay for this? $80?
Well, 97 because he was 15,
Ah, okay. $90 guys and additional 15.
including the 90.
Ah, okay. $15 for the dog. It's nice. So, kain muna kami guys. Ito yung aming dinner. Yes, and I will cook instant ramen also. Kasi gutom talaga ako. Ayan, yung binili namin kanina sa Trader Joe's. Hello guys! Good morning! Today is February 23 and this is the next day of our trip and we are now walking here beside the river. Malapit lang to sa aming hotel. It's like 7 minutes away from our hotel. And here's Sterling and Ernie.
Ernie's afraid of heights.
Really? So I am trying this mic now na nasa ilog ako. Naka-noise cancellation siya. I hope maganda na yung audio. Nag-edit ako last night yung mga audio ko. Medyo pangit. Hindi ko pa kasi masyado to nagagamit yung mic. So, today, iti-test natin siya. And yeah, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung plan today. But around 4 p.m., pupunta na kami sa Airbnb. And yes, and this is the view, guys. Ang ganda, no? Malamig siya today, pero kaya naman. Okay lang, hindi ako nag-gloves and hat. Kinakaya ko naman kasi naka-heat tech ako today. And look at Sterling. Balot na balot siya, guys. Ako tong Filipino. I mean, I'm saying that you're more bundled up. Okay, guys. Pasyal muna tayo. And pakita ko sa inyo tong view na to. Very scared. Wow, ang ganda. Woo! So you guys, nakikita nyo ba yung bahay na yan? Diyan gusto mag-retire ni Sterling. Maganda daw yung sikat ng araw every morning. So, let's go guys. We're gonna go back to the car na. Kasi mag-check out pa kami ng hotel. And then, I don't know where we go. Wala kaming plan today guys. As in, di ba nga yung aberya natin kahapon sa Airbnb? So ngayon, baka maghahanap lang kami ng mga lugar na pwedeng lakaran or pumasyal, ganon. And ayan ang aking pet. Favorite niya ang mag-walk sa park. Tignan nyo guys yung bahay na yan. Imagine, mayaman siguro yung nakatira dyan. Nasa cliff talaga siya oh. And then, ayun yung ilog. Ayun yung ilog guys. Ayun yung ilog. And then, ayun sa taas yung bahay. Ang ganda ng view niya, no? Everyday, ito yung view niya. Ganda. Hello, everybody! Yeah! Ang ganda! Ang ganda dito, guys. Pero medyo nakakatakot. Ang ganda! Woo! Yeah! Ang ganda! Ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin! Yee! Oh my God! Yes! Woo! Okay guys, we're almost done sa walk na to. Ito yung pinakamahirap kapag nag-walk yung uphill. Pataas siya. So, it was a nice walk guys. Ang ganda ng view dito. And, yeah, very fresh yung hangin dito. Medyo nakakahingal lang. What's our plan after here?
There's no plan.
No plan? Okay. No plan daw. Just like yesterday.
We had a plan yesterday. It just got foiled.
Yeah. Yan. Binigay ko muna sa kanya yung puppy, guys. Kasi nakaka-help siya ng pag-akyat sa bundok. Hello guys, good morning. We are now here at Noi Thai Cuisine Restaurant and it's so fancy guys. And ngayon ay kakain kami ng lunch. I have here Thai milk tea? No,
Thai iced tea.
Thai iced tea.
Cheers.
Cheers. And this is included sa aming lunch meal and it is $19, right? So I ordered red curry na may crispy spring roll and coconut rice. Try natin tong Thai iced tea with whipped cream.
Which I don't think they do in Thailand.
Yeah, so let's try it guys.
Taste the whipped cream. Have you
It's
had
good. So, eto na lahat yung aking in-order guys. Ito yung red curry na may coconut rice. And etong isa na to, crab daw ito and spring roll on the side. And eto yung sauce niya. Okay guys, itry na natin tong Thai food dito sa Amerika. Kung legit ba siya na Thai cuisine. Charot. Try muna natin tong red curry alone without rice. Cheers! It's yummy. Masarap siya guys. So try naman natin siya with rice. Oh, try this rice. Coconut. Ang sarap niya guys. Manamis-namis na medyo spicy. And then etong rice naman, para siyang merong pandan. Pandan rice. So they call it coconut rice. Here's the chicken. Closer look. Masarap siya guys. Try naman natin tong spring roll guys. Dip natin siya sa sauce and let's see. Masarap siya guys. In all fairness guys, for an American Thai cuisine, Thai cuisine in America, masarap siya. There are restaurants here in America and they serve like different cuisine but they're slightly Americanized. But this one is really good guys. Para siyang Thai food talaga. So eto guys, try naman natin to. Ano daw to? Parang crab thingy. So try natin.
Yeah, cream cheese.
It's
crab.
good. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm going to rate this restaurant 8 out of 10. It's really good and it tastes like Thai cuisine. Let's go. Cheers! Hey guys, good afternoon. And we are now here sa pangalawang trail for today, and this trail ay tawag nila ay Train to Trucks. So ayun siya guys. And meron pa kaming 3 hours before kami makapag-check-in sa Airbnb. So nandito muna kami para mag-walk kahit medyo maulan siya guys. Malamig siya and may konting ulan pero laban lang. Kesa naman magstay kami sa loob ng kotse. So, maglalakad na lang muna kami. And kanina guys, kumain kami ng Thai food. Ang sarap ng Thai food na yun guys. Legit na Thai siya. Nag-try na kasi ako ng mga iba-ibang cuisine dito sa US. Nag-try na ako ng Vietnamese, nag-try na ako ng Indian, and then this one Thai. Kuwang-kuha nila yung lasa ng Thai food. Way back, nag-Thailand kami. Nag-order ako ng same red curry chicken and kalasa niya yun dito guys. So, ito nga pala yung lugar guys. Ayan siya. And ayun si Sterling and Ernie. And I don't know kung anong meron dito. But, forest lang siya guys. Ito yung marami dito sa Washington State guys. Yung mga forest, yung mga trails, yung mga park, ganun. And yeah, so pakita ko muna sa inyo kung anong itsura ng lugar na to. Go, say hi! Woo, mabuhay! Medyo maputik itong trail na to. And it's not giving. Ano siya, maputik. Like, oh my God. Nakakatakot yung vibe dito, guys. Walang masyadong tao. And kanina meron kami nakitang tain ng oso. Konting-konti na lang madudulas ako dito. And etong lugar na to, guys, dati siyang may railroad para sa mga, anong tawag sa mga naggagawa ng lumber? Dati siyang ganun, guys. Parang binuo to nung 1960s. Nabasa ko lang dun sa eksena kanina. And now, we're gonna go up to this.
Is that bear country?
I don't know. You know, bears stays at caves. Look at those. There's caves. Oh my God. May tain ng oso kanina, guys. Araw-araw pa naman kaming may aberya. Baka, Diyos ko, baka ito na yung kamatayan. My God, maybe this is the last day of my life. It's my birthday and this will be the last day, guys. Charot. I mean, it's in the Philippines, it's my birthday now. So, 23 pa lang kasi dito, guys. Yung Pilipinas is ahead siya ng 12 hours. Ayan yung view natin ngayon. And paakyat kami dito. I don't know what's up there. Pero ito yung view namin.
Maybe
Wow.
trees? It's pretty cool, right?
Puro gubat lang yung ano dito, guys. Yung view. Pero we love to hike naman. But not too much hiking. Nung lumipat ako dito, doon ko lang na-experience yung mga gantong pag-hiking. Sa Pilipinas, parang never ako nag-hike. Oh my God, I'm tired. Pagod na kaagad ako. Ay. Wait lang guys. Pahinga muna ako. Okay guys, nagchika-chika ako dito and nasa tuktok na kami ng bundok. Pakita ko lang sa inyo guys. And mali pala itong dinaanan namin, but this is a nice view. Ayan siya guys. Merong ilog dun sa baba. And we're now gonna go down dito sa bundok na to. Kasi mali itong dinaanan namin ni Sterling. Gusto namin makita yung waterfalls. So tara guys, puntahan natin yung waterfalls. Welcome to San Lava Path. Alam niyo yung mga nakita nating bato kanina sa taas? Lava pala yun guys. Volcanic lava, ganon. So let's cross this bridge now. Wow, ang ganda! Look at this view guys. Grabe oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view na to guys. Ang linaw pa ng tubig. Ganda. Ito yung different side of US guys. Ang ganda talaga dito. Grabe oh. Ibang-iba to sa Las Vegas side, yung mga dry na states. Yung dito sa amin guys, halos ganito siya. Halos forest and may mga waterfalls and yan, rivers. Sobrang ganda. Nung nagpunta kami ng Las Vegas, na-enjoy ko naman siya guys, kaso hindi talaga para sa akin yung maraming tao. And mas na-enjoy ko tong nature, yan, maglalakad, kahit walang tao. Alam mo yung peacefulness ng gubat, ng nature. Ayan, ito yung mga amats ko guys. Hindi ko masyadong amats yung mga kasi-casino, clubbing, or yung mararaming tao. Maybe every now and then nagpupunta kami ng Seattle para lang mag-shopping ako sa Zara. But most of the time, ito yung mga amats ko, yung mga hiking, bundok-bundok, punta sa dagat. Mga ganito guys, yan. Ang ganda. Thank you Lord, ang ganda dito. National Wild and Scenic River System, Upper Deschutes River. Let's go. Ayan guys, so ayan yung volcanic rocks, Kineme. Nakikita niyo yan, yung dark na bundok. Parang yung nag-dry na lava. Ganyan siya. Alam niyo yung naalala ko dito guys, sa gantong view. Alam niyo yung Winter Sonata, yung nagbe-bike sila Jenny at saka si, ano kasi yung hindi ko alam kung ano pangalan ng partner niya. Basta it reminds me of that Korean novela. Ganito yung vibe ng kanilang place. So guys, eto na yung waterfalls guys. Pero kailangan ko bumaba doon. And medyo delikado siya. Okay, wait lang. Ay! Ernie, wait! Hinihila ako ng aso. Oh my God. Wait lang. Wow! So eto siya guys. Tignan natin siya dito. Wow! Grabing ganda! Oh my God! Look at this guys! Woo! Ang ganda, grabe! Yay! Woo! Ang ganda! Finally, nahanap na namin yung waterfalls! And it's here!
Only 20 miles later.
Yes! Ayan na siya guys. Woo!
That is beautiful.
Yeah. Ayan, umuulan na. It's raining. Umuulan na guys, pero ang ganda niya. Okay guys, babalik na kami sa aming car and last view. Ayan. Ayan na. Ayan. And I don't know what's here. This is project
Lab.
constructed.
Dedicated to some kid who maybe died here or something. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Ganda niya guys, oh. Woo! Worth it ang hike. So eto guys, nakabalik na kami ng kotse and dito ko natatapusin itong vlog na to guys kasi hindi kakasya sa aking iPad ang pag-edit ng vlogs. I'm shooting in 4K guys. I tried to, yung pinaka-maximum length ng aking mga vlogs ay 30 minutes lang and para makapag-provide din ako ng magandang quality vlogs. And maybe in the future we can get a new iPad for editing kapag kapag kumikita na tayo sa vlogging guys. We cannot get iPad now that we're not earning yet. We have to earn money first. Okay guys, follow nyo ako sa aking mga social media account and if hindi nyo pa ako pina-follow or subscribe dito sa aking YouTube, please subscribe on my YouTube channel and see you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye!